Alright, y'all. Just passing by through Van, Texas this morning on my way back to school. There's apparently an unmarked car wash that has a rare machine in it. So, at the very least, we're just going to go pass by it to see if it's open. If it is open and working, great. We will film it. But if not, that's... Okay, so... I don't have a stop sign, but they do. Banner there. Could be cone hiding behind the wall, unless... There's a cone lying flat in the bay, so that's probably not a good sign. Curious if the pay station says anything. No, the pay station's completely, like, turned off or dead. But yeah, here's the machine for you. Yep, a DynaWash. Yep, that's what I expected. That's okay. Guess I can get to school quicker then. Well, that was all.